The best laptop for photo editing should be a content creator's dream come true. The best laptops for photo editors are equipped with zippy hard drive, stocked with artist-friendly ports, and jam-packed with the relevant photo editing software. It should also have an adequate storage to maintain a large library of photo files and a GPU that can handle graphics-intensive applications. As a photo editor, you also need a beautiful display that is capable of accurately reproducing a wide range of colors. In this video, I am going to show you top 5 such amazing laptops to buy for photo editing. So which one did you like the most from the list I have provided in this video? Please comment in the comment section. Please hit the like button to share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Asus ZenBook Pro Duo, the best dual screen laptop for photo editors. Asus ZenBook Pro Duo is unlike any laptop we have ever seen. Instead of having just one display, the Duo flaunts a primary 15.6-inch 4K OLED display along with a secondary 14-inch 4K panel on the deck. The dual displays are great for multitasking and allow photographers to move their tools onto another screen while keeping their main canvas clear of any clutter. Combine those gorgeous displays with a fast performance and adequate cooling, and it is easy to see why the ZenBook Pro Duo is one of the best laptops for photographers. Buy this laptop for its innovative dual 4K displays, great overall performance, and it stays cool while heavy multitasking or heavy load on it. The only disappointment with this laptop is it is a bit chunky and heavy, and the battery life is not so good. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. Microsoft Surface Laptop 3, the best portable laptop for photo editors. The Surface Laptop 3 with the Intel CPUs has a slim aluminum chassis which gives the laptop a sleek premium feel. For photographers, the new 15-inch 2K display with a 3:2 aspect ratio is vivid, capable of reproducing an amazing 105% of sRGB color gamma. The Surface Laptop 3 also comes with a long-lasting battery life, fast performance, and a useful magnetic surface connector. Microsoft also sells an AMD version of this laptop, which is cheaper than the Intel-powered laptop. You can consider this laptop for its slim and lightweight design, attractive metal design, fast performance, comfortable keyboard, and attractive accessories. The disappointments are, the port selection is not so good and the integrated graphics still underperforms. Dell XPS 13 2-in-1, the best 2-in-1 laptop for photo editors. The Dell XPS 13 2-in-1 had to be practically perfect to dethrone HP's excellent Spectre X360 13, and it is. Dell's newest flagship 2-in-1 packs strong performance thanks to its 10th generation and 11th generation Intel processors, long-lasting battery life at nearly 11 hours, and it is also a fantastic machine. On top of that, you get a unique 13.4-inch with 16:10 aspect ratio display that is bright, vivid, and comes with slim and premium chassis. Overall, it's an amazing laptop to work with. Buy this laptop for its slim and premium design, very strong performance, bright, vivid 13.4-inch display, and long-lasting battery life. The only disappointment with this laptop is it has got only few number of ports. Apple MacBook Pro, the best Apple laptop for photo editors. The MacBook Pro is just your type if you have been waiting for Apple to make a better keyboard. The Magic Keyboard on this premium laptop ditches the butterfly mechanism in favor of a scissor switch, and the result is much more comfortable typing experience. You also get a bright and sharp 16-inch display with slimmer bezels, powerful performance from an available Core i9 CPU, and robust AMD Radeon 5300M or 5500M graphics. You also get up to 64 GB of RAM and 8 TB of storage if you really want to splurge. The 11 hours of battery life is another plus on this laptop, dwarfing the run times of its competitors. The 16-inch MacBook Pro is pricey, you can go for the 13-inch MacBook Pro. And the Apple still doesn't include full-size USB ports, but overall, this is a very formidable workstation for creative pros. Consider this laptop for its radically improved Magic Keyboard, immersive display with slimmer bezels, beastly performance, and a powerful 6-speaker audio. The only disappointment is this laptop doesn't come with 4K display. HP Spectre X360 15. Overall, the best laptop for photo editing. There is no better laptop for photo editing than the HP Spectre X360 15. The highlight of this machine is a 15.6-inch 4K OLED display that is exceptionally vivid with 256% of the sRGB color game mode and blindingly bright at 483 nits of brightness. That panel is the only thing that will take your eyes off the Spectre X360 15's elegant chassis, which looks like something only the rich and famous could afford. Photographers will also appreciate that the laptop's discrete MX150 GPU offers enough graphics oomph to run the demanding photo editing programs with some help from a Core i7 CPU, and the keyboard on the Spectre X360 15 is one of the best around. Consider this laptop for its luxe design, good performance and graphics, vivid 4K OLED display, and very comfortable keyboard. The only disappointment here is bezels are a bit thick. HP ZBook Studio X360 G5. If you're looking for a workstation, then go for this. HP ZBook Studio X360 G5's 15.6-inch 4K display is extremely detailed and vibrant. Coupled with blistering workstation class performance, this beastly machine is an excellent option for photo editors who need the most powerful setup to run demanding programs. Better yet, the X360 G5 has a rugged chassis for those times you are out in the field, and its lengthy battery life means you don't need to stay near an outlet. The X360 G5 can be configured with the premium components including an Intel Xeon CPU with a Quadro P1000 graphics, 32GB of RAM and two 2TB SSDs. We suggest photo editors opt for the 4K touchscreen over the Full HD model. Consider this laptop for its versatile design, gorgeous 4K display, long battery life and amazing performance. The only disappointment here is there are issues with the lid flexes. So these are some of the amazing laptops for photo editors to buy in 2021. So which one did you like the most? Please comment in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button to share this video among your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.